So I got myself another E46 and I got some little niggles, but one of the issues that I'm having now is the cruise control isn't working. Now, I've checked the fuse number 9, which is in the glove box fuse box. Fuse number 9 here. That's the speed control, and there's nothing wrong with that. And now I've got the car plugged in, and the only codes I've got are for the MAF sensor and the thermostat. And I've heard that the MAF sensor can actually disable the cruise control. So rather than go out and spend well over £100 on a genuine one, I think that maybe even £200, I've got myself this MAF sensor, a cheap one, for £24, and I'm going to fit it to see if it fixes the cruise control issue. I'll just add that the buttons on the steering wheel on the left hand side definitely do work. The controls work for the stereo, but when I press the on button for the cruise control, nothing happens when driving or otherwise. Actually, what I've just realised, because of recording the video while sat still, is the cruise control does actually turn on and off. The green light you can see there is switching on, but as soon as I went to move the car, press the brake pedal, the light goes off, and then nothing happens while driving. So this is very weird, but I'm still going to try and change the MAF sensor. I just thought that was strange enough to note. So the MAF sensor is just held on one side by a Jubilee clip, and these two clips underneath. So you can remove the connector, and these clips you'll need to push out, one on each side. Pretty self-explanatory how to refit the new one. So I'll get that fitted and go and check the cruise control. New MAF clipped into position, Jubilee clip tightened up, connector refitted. So now what I need to check is that the code will erase and stay erased. So before, I have already tried erasing that code and it comes straight back in as soon as you start the car. So there was an issue with the MAF sensor for sure. Okay, start the car. No codes. Thermostat control back in, but we've not got the MAF sensor code, so that's good. And would you look at that? Press the brake pedal without the cruise control light going off. So I would assume that means it's going to work. So I'll go on a quick test drive. I'm not going to record while I'm driving, and see if the cruise control is fixed. Right, so I've got the cruise control on. Press the foot away from accelerator. That's on the cruise control. So changing the MAF sensor has fixed the cruise control. I would not have thought that to be the case.